Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. How are you? I am fine, and I hope that you will be all okay and fit from health by the grace of God. Dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube Fashion TV channel. Hey guys, I have a new, most beautiful collection about leather dresses for you. These leather dresses are very beautiful and charming colors. These leather dresses are dye dresses. Beautiful collection, beautiful style with beautiful ladies. Dear guys, leather dresses is always a great choice for you. It is a game changer for your wardrobe. Dear friends, if you are new on my channel, please I request you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Pressing for bell icon, you can get my new uploading video notification first. Dear friends, don't skip my video. My video see till the end because next you can see much more collection about leather dresses. Dear guys, as you know that my channel is on about fashion TV, so if you want to see much more collection about fashion, please visit my YouTube fashion TV channel and search videos about your own choice like bridal dresses, sports dresses, raincoats, leather dresses, party dresses, satin and silk dresses and much more collection about fashion you can see on my YouTube fashion TV channel. Dear friends, I hope that you will like my video and enjoy my video. So I request you please subscribe my channel if you are new and share my videos with your friends. Dear friends, my video is to be end. God bless you. Thanks for watching.